adoption of technology is essential today. Schools have to keep themselves updated to make sure they have an edge when it comes to delivering quality outcomes for parents and students. Having said that, I also understand that this isn't easy. I keep hearing from schools as part of my work about the challenges they face while shifting away from their legacy systems and replacing them with technology-driven alternatives. This is a massive hurdle, primarily because legacy systems have been around for decades. Everyone is very used to them. The mindset shift is very hard, and there is a lot of fear around things going wrong when changing something old and trusted. But we cannot let ourselves be left behind just because we are unwilling to face the challenges of change. So in this video, I'm going to take you through 3 simple steps from my experience of working with some of the legacy schools and helping them transform some of their legacy processes that will address your fears and help you change your legacy systems smoothly and efficiently. Hi, I'm Abhiraj, one of the co-founders at SchoolPad. In the last decade, we've helped over 250 school owners and principals to manage their schools more efficiently by digitizing and automating their existing processes and creating an exceptional experience for parents, teachers, and students. Before I talk to you about the 3 steps, I want to emphasize why we need to change our legacy systems. It is true, our legacy systems allowed us to set up and streamline our processes. They played a very important role for a very long time, but times have changed and the legacy systems no longer serve the purpose they did in the past. If we have better alternatives which are being adopted by others, why should we stay behind? Schools that refuse to change with the times run the risk of losing out despite having built powerful legacy systems and a powerful legacy school. We need to evolve if we want to stay relevant in a world where everything is getting faster and smarter. New systems and technology offers us tremendous efficiency and speed. We cannot only automate our processes but also make them quicker, more accurate, and more efficient. So here are the 3 ways in which you can shift away from your legacy systems without any fear of something going wrong or causing major disruptions. The first one is the pre-mortem technique. Pre-mortem is a technique where we try to anticipate the worst case scenarios in advance in the context of any new processes and prepare for all eventualities. For example, let's say there is a school that wants to do away with its legacy admission system and take the whole process online. We already know what our admission process and the outcomes look like. Now we need to visualize all of these outcomes of the online admission system and consider all the possibilities that can go wrong at every step. For example, maybe the parent is unable to find or open the admission or online form link. Maybe they are unable to fill out the form and submit it. Maybe they did not get the intimation about whether their admission inquiry was successfully submitted. Maybe they don't have a way to pay the registration fee online. Maybe they are unable to get the information about the next steps after doing the registration. And finally, there could be a chance that the child got an admission, but they never received an intimation through their mobile phones or online. So basically, everything that can go wrong at every step is visualized and assessed, and we ensure that we have mechanisms to address every single worst case scenario or problem that may arise in the process. We can have dedicated staff that can help and handhold parents through the entire process. Whenever a parent is stuck, someone can get on a call and help them go to the next step. We can have automatic notifications and intimations at every step to ensure that the parent is always kept informed. Via this pre-mortem process, we visualize and prepare for all eventualities and have ready mechanisms and systems to address all problems and gaps that may arise. This way, we can shift away from legacy systems with minimum hassle and disruptions. The second technique, talk to an expert or a school that has already shifted from the legacy systems. It always helps to talk to people who have prior experience with the shift you are trying to make. They can help you understand both the pitfalls and the benefits. They will also be able to help you prepare better for potential problems or teething issues that your school and staff may face after making the shift. Consulting a coach or an expert always helps. If not a coach, talking to another school that has a similar experience will definitely help you manage and address your fears and will also make the transition easy with no surprises for you. The third one is test the process. As with any new process or system, it is critical to test the new system with a small set of test participants. Before you choose to make a complete shift away from your old systems, don't forget to do a test run of the new system with a selected group of people. It will help you identify and prepare for potential problems that may be specific to your school or any preliminary issue that may have been missed. This will also allow you to make the transition more confidently and with proper preparation and information. Shifting away from legacy systems is extremely and understandably hard, and teething problems are inevitable. But by following these 3 simple steps, you can minimize the issues to a large degree, educate and inform your staff the right way, and make the mindset shift that is most critical for the success of your transition away from legacy systems. I hope that through this video, I was able to address at least some of your concerns that can now help you easily transition to a modern and a more efficient system from an outdated legacy system. See you in my next video.